Cheap, Coops! What do you want to do tonight? Same thing like we always do, Meowth. Try to destroy those twerps. King Koopa and King Meowth, King Koopa and King Meowth. One is a turtle and another one's a cat. They're very dangerous and super evil. King Koopa and King Meowth. Meow, 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 meow. They want to come with me. Dangerous plan by the power of the nest. They're soon their master plans. King Koopa and King Meowth, King Koopa and King Meowth. They want to put the world in danger, but no matter what happens, he will stop them. King Koopa and King Meowth, 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 Meowth.
We go. That's right.
Ha ha ha.